Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly download an unlimited AI generated photo. It's for free. So if you are living in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America, there is no matter where you live in because this company works worldwide. So let's start. First, I'm going to google.com, then type Lexica. Lexica, example of just type of Lexica, then go to here, Lexica.ai. So you can see this is a Lexica.art. It's for AI image generator. Then you can use for free of cost. You don't need any account, you don't need any pay. It's for here the lots of millions image already created. It's for free. So if you downloaded this one, this is a really cool and a beautiful image. Just click here for download it. So if you don't like this photo, then click here. This is the other photo. Then click here. This is the other photo. Click here. So if I downloaded this photo, just click here for download. Download it starts. So I'm going to another one. So you can see this photo. This is a cartoon photo actually. So if you don't like this, just click for others. Oh, this is a really cool. And I click next, next. So here are the lots of millions already created a pre-owned image or art. So if you want to art, it's possible. This one, this is a moon. So I'm going to another one. This one, wow, this is awesome. I really like this. So I really like to download this photo for my computer. So this is actually a website what you can download unlimited photo, generate, or otherwise you can generate your own art or generate image. So you need to log in here for generating any photo or art. If you are new viewers in this channel, subscribe the channel